Hi, I get asked quite a few times, how do we do an hour trading? And you see many people on YouTube and everything all doing hindsight trading. So I think what I will do, I'll just show you a typical month that we had, September. Let's go through in September. This application that you can see in front of you is called Slack, and we use that on the desktop and also on your mobile phone, so you can see the trades. So as you can see, it's just full of signals and things and evidence of actually what we do. So let's start at the beginning of September. So September the 1st, what you'll see here, you can see, I'll zoom it up. When I do a little signal, I tell people where to get in, what stop to have, a target to go for. This is the risk and this is the target we go for. Recommended risk that we take is only over 1%, potential profit 1.15. So that's kind of the signals we put in. As you can see, a few signals here gone in. Also note that be careful doing all three at once, because if all three fail, you will lose 3%. The opportunity to win was 1, 3, for about 5.5%, and those come in. September the 2nd, what we do is again another signal in the morning, and what I do when we're not trading live, I give some signals and updates of exactly where we are, what we did in the live minute session. You can see there's a trade there, that's the risk, that's the reward, and I forget how, alright, 2.92%. And then we identified some trades here that we do. These are fractal trades, so it's all time based, and you can see exactly what we did. I give people an update of where we're going, where the possible second trade is, where to move your risk, just to make sure people are going okay. And here's one here. What's this one? Revise for a better entry. So we you've got to be dynamic, you've got to be able to respond to the market conditions, and when things change, you've got to be adaptable. And I put these signals in and to show people, how adaptable we are. And again, you can see all these different signals in. We don't win all the time. There we go. A loss there, 1%. Another loss there. 3 losses on the bounce. We only ever lose 1% at the maximum. Here we did a little bit of risk management, so we took 0.5% STE, which means stop to entry, and then we carried that trade through a little bit longer. And then here, move stop down, locked in profit of 1.85, multiple 15 bar and frac entries as well, also available, but we didn't record those, just giving people the options. Some more signals, again, winner. Oh yeah, okay, so let's get moving on. We're on the 8th, we better get a wiggle on. So what I do is give people an idea of the trade setup, of what's happening, and then zoom in to the finer details and show people what to actually look out for on the actual charts themselves. And that was a structural break for that trade itself, which was Euro USD. Euro Japan yuan, very simple one there. We were trading through 15-minute bar breaks, and there was 2 entries in there going for some big trades there. This is what's this? This is a confirmation update. First target completely hit, second target coming down. Let's scoot along. Have I done anything else different? Yeah, okay. Giving people a bit of dialogue where what we should do. So here's one from one of the mornings that we took a trade, then I identified what would happen, going to the upside target and then a stretch target for people to go to continue trading, and then this was the result. Market went up as we said it would into this first upside target, and then smashed the second target as well. So as well as getting 1% in the morning, we got an extra 4% on top of that. and it's all about forecasting what's going to happen and then proving that it does, and that's what we're all about, teaching people how to forecast what's going on. This was another update, doing some fractal trading in the mornings. This is the initial morning trade. We got that and then advised. These were all the fractals as we progress, and as you can see, we did quite well there. That was in, what time was that? That was in the morning, finished by lunchtime, and a balance of 4% up, plus the initial trade, so 5%. Can I do something differently? Screenshots here of some more of the trades that we're doing, progressively going. I think this was a progression here that was just showing people what to trade as we're going down, setting the trades before they enter, showing people what to do, and as we're coming down, monitoring it and monitoring the trade, show where the next trade is, managing the risk, showing where the risks are. And we've got let's go to the completion. There's a completion one, and there we are, 6 trades on the bounce. And I think, did they all work? 4 out of 5 is 1 plus another 2%, so 5%, so 6 trades, 5 trades on the bounce there, one. There's some more trades here that continued further down. So these are all the people that are engaging as well with the trades. Let's scoot down a bit more. You can see these are the signals. And where are we now? We're into February 16th, September 16th, and then here we are identifying the next trade for people to take, and then the final conclusion, market coming down, stop to entry, just going for the big targets. Again, a bit more dialogue. What we're doing, made a little bit of money in the morning, in the first half hour, 1.65%, and then said to people, follow the fractals down, so another 3% on top of that. This is what we teach people all the time, what to do, how to do it, when to get in. We don't always win, of course, but we never have a losing week. We always have winning weeks. Odd losing day maybe, but not in September. We did exceptionally well. There we are, drop trade that lost, and then straight after that, lost 1, made 1.75, then an extra 2 on top, and then another 1 just to get the money back, plus a little bit of profit as well. You can see these are all the different charts. We tell people what to do, identify where the sell zone is. We identify the sell zone at 10 to 8 in the morning, tell people what's going to happen, where to place the trades and how to trade them, and then recommendations on what we're going to do, and identification whether we won or whether we actually lost the trade. Scampering along, I'll scamper along a little bit. These are some more that we did. Clean sweep, 4 from 4 on the Aussie USD, for instance, on there. What's that? DAX bot smashing it. Right, yeah, we run robots as well, so there's a robot there, 93 pips. So if you are in MT speak, that would be 930 pip run. These are spread accounts, so you add an extra naught on those. So again, 870 pip run, nice win all the way. And let's scoot down to the end of the month. Here's another setup that we do on cable. See, cable show people where I think the entry might be, and then explain into detail why we're going to get in there. So that's a 15-minute bar reversal in there, and then we're going to run off and come down into these staged targets. What else is there? So this is a market run. This is a market running down, and then identifying where fractals are good to go on the Aussie USD as well. Again, there's another trade, morning trade, boom from the afternoon session, and then a nice 15-minute bar reversal after that just to top it off. Dow Ideas going to a bear market officially in September. and a nice easy 1% there. What's this one? The DAX. This was the DAX. Was it the DAX? Yeah, the DAX and the FTSE. 2 15-minute bar reverses there. These are some of the high probability trades that we show people. Cable US, so you can see where we are here. There's a lot of fractal breaks here. Win, 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 win. 5 on the bounce, quite nice. And this is, what's this? It's September the 28th, coming into the end of the month, and this is selling C-ball, doing drop trades, key area reversals. These are the areas identified in the morning where the market is going to run off, and into the end of the month, another cable trade there, pound Japani, AUD USD coming off. Quite a few different trades here. 15-minute bar reversals followed by fractals, so 4% plus on that particular trade there. And in carry on going, this is where are we now? Let's have a quick look. September. All right, into the end of the month, and we do the DAX trade and the FTSE trade. So DAX. This is a DAX trade. Stop to entry 730 pips on the first trade, followed by another bunch down here as well, which was quite nice. And then the FTSE, again, same thing, very similar trades. C-ball trade plus a 15-minute bar reverse plus 5-minute fracks, one lost, so running total of 6% on the Friday the 30th, plus an extra 4 on the same day. That's 10%. And then showing people about the out of hours strategies that we've got for the 15-minute bars, highlighting what can happen. And there's the second ones as well. That happened. People to get into. And today, okay. So today we were looking at euro pound on the short, and going long on the pound Japani. Updates of where we went. All right, euro pound smashed it in one, and pound Japani still in flow. Again, more trades here. This is the sweep for this evening. 15-minute bar reversals on the whole suite of the US trades. In total, the trades that we traded were 49%. This is 49% of your bank. Admittedly, September, we do a lot of breakout trading, very, very successful in our strategy. So 49% was available. Don't expect anyone to get that unless you sat at your screen for 3 or 4 hours a day, every day. But you should be able to get about half of that or a third of that without any problem, even if you're a full-time job. So I just thought I'd show you, rather than doing hindsight trading, show people what a live room looks like and all the live trades. I hope that was useful and insightful for you. If you've got any questions at all, send me an email, give me a shout. Very happy to take you through what we do. Cheers then. Bye-bye.